You know. What's good, everybody? It is Birdo out here with another vlog.
Yo. What's up?
Man, it's hot today. Whew, I'm sweating.
Pop the molly, I'm sweating. Woo!
This vlog is for my boy Kaizer. What's up, big boy? Say what's up.
What's up?
Over there enjoying his lunch. But Kaizer needed to order him some roaches. Got him some Dubia roaches. Here's Smokey and Nami over there. Not only did I order him some Dubia roaches, I had to order some multivitamin for him. So let me open this up and I'll show you guys what I got. I only got 100 roaches. It's like $22, $23. So let me go get the container I usually keep them in. Then we get to feed Kaizer. Alright. So got Kaizer his herb divite. Definitely needed this. And now open up the roaches. Put the camera down real quick. Hopefully they're all alive, right? Jeez. I'm not even using my stand right now. Let me see. What can I use? Not too bad. But this is the container I keep my roaches in. Here they are. Of course, there's a zip tie on here. Now I need the knife over here. 1 second. Alright. Back to the action. So I ordered 100 medium Dubia roaches. I didn't even get it open. Oh, I did. Yo, it's so hot today. As you see. See the sweat.
I'm sweating. Woo!
The struggle.
I'm sweating. Woo!
Once again. There we go. I'm over here sweating balls trying to get this thing off.
Pop the molly, I'm sweating. Woo!
Come here. There goes the knife. Whatever. Is that all of them? I don't need no damn roaches in the house. Alright, looks like we good. How's it look? You want your roaches or what? Alright. Now I'm gonna dust the roaches with the multivitamin and the calcium so then he can eat, because I don't know what's going on with Kaizer right now. He was just getting all crazy, going crazy all up in the tank wanting his roaches. Now he's right next to them and he ain't about that life. So I'm gonna give him a few, then I'm gonna give the roaches their food. Probably throw in some veggies in there, you know, collard greens and turnip greens and whatever other greens. You know, of course, except for the spinach and all that other stuff. But let's get straight to it. Hey, there you go. A lot more, huh? gave Kaizer his roaches. As you guys see, Kaizer's happy. Happy he got his roaches. Don't fall. Well, now, what's next, Kaizer, huh?
Shit, you tell me.
Yeah, climb up though. And there goes Kaizer. So, Kaizer, what's wrong? Well, like I'm trying to say, me and Kaizer are gonna go and chill. I gotta go to training soon, so I'll put this vlog up later. But me and Kaizer are gonna go chill with Havoc. Havoc somewhere knocked out cold over there. But yeah, say deuces, Kaizer. Kaizer. Colors. Alright, deuces. See you later.